the Parent Helpline, we assist parents who have a son or daughter that's struggling with substance use issues, and we're able to speak to our parents in an open and positive way. While we're certainly not a treatment center, we certainly are able to, speak to you and give you the options that you would have available to you for your particular circumstance, for your particular family. When we're talking about an action plan, we're understanding that no two families are the same. So we get the fact that, some families have their child living in the home. Some parents are struggling with, do I kick my kid out tonight? This is the first time I'm hearing about it. Or some parents, have had this be a chronic issue. This has been going on for a while. What am I gonna do? How do I break and interrupt this cycle where my child continues to use and is just not understanding? And so when we're developing these action plans, we're looking at treatment options. We're looking at ways of how you're gonna approach conversations. We're looking at, sometimes we'll even talk about where you might have that conversation, what that conversation might look like. Sometimes we'll have parents giving us some barriers, and we're trying to figure out with the parent how we're breaking down those barriers. We at the Helpline are also looking to give that parent support. What does that look like for you? Who's your support system? Because this is an exhausting process, and we want to make sure that you have someone on your side as well. We understand that, you're the most important person in your child's life, and if they don't have you fighting for them, then who will fight for them? We're not a crisis line. However, we understand that this moment for you, that you can be in an emotional crisis. And we listen to you, because there's so many parents who reach our helpline and they feel like no one has been able to listen. And it's so important, and it's almost magical when our parents tell us, you heard me. This is the first time I felt heard. That's really what we hope for at our helpline, for our parents to feel heard, understood, supported, and that they were treated with respect and have been able to really know that it isn't their fault and that we're here for them.